Why Khwaja Asif accuses Lisco staff of receiving 80,000 rupees. Hi, I'm Aman Khalid and welcome to Pakistan Connect News Bulletin at 3 p.m. Unofficial draft of Iran-US agreement includes Strait of Hormuz and frozen assets. Iranian state media has released a draft of an informal agreement with the United States to end ongoing war. According to Iranian state television, the unofficial draft of the Islamabad understanding with US has been prepared through. Though it has not yet been finalized, the draft includes details related to the Strait of Hormuz and frozen assets of Iran. Senate Republicans face a political knife edge over Trump's anti-weaponization fund. Senate Republicans face a stark choice when they return from recess next week, back President Donald Trump's controversial $1.8 billion anti-weaponization fund to benefit his political allies, or defy a commander-in-chief who just ended the careers of two Republican senators. Trump says Iran has agreed to no nuclear weapons. US President Donald Trump said he had secured guarantees from Iran that it would not develop nuclear weapons. As reports emerged, he had sent a tougher peace proposal back to Tehran. Khwaja Asif accuses Lisco staff of receiving 80,000 without issuing receipt. Defense Minister Khwaja Asif has alleged that Lisco employees received rupees 80,000 for repairing a damaged transformer without issuing any official receipt. In a post on social media platform X, the minister said that a transformer in the domestic work as well as was burnt out recently. He added that he contacted an acquaintances in the electricity department to request assistance. Post-Hajj flights operation begins. First group of pilgrims returns. Pakistan International Airlines (PIA) has launched its post-Hajj flight operation with the first group of Pakistani pilgrims returning home from Saudi Arabia on Saturday. In a month-long operation, pilgrims will be transported from the Saudi cities of Jeddah and Medina to Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, Faisalabad, Multan, Sialkot and Quetta. Stay connected to Pakistan Connect for more updates.